Norwood's up to something. They be acting like they ain't got no funds or nothing. Norwood's not just bluffing, Norwood's not just bluffing.
Norwood. We need wool for our state budget. Norwood. I know that the governor is up to something. Woo!
Closing, our school's up to something. We only have like 2 or 3 weeks in the budget. Choby's up to something, he is not just bluffing.
I don't think the school should be closing. The Twitter sphere is exploding. I just want to go on vacation. I don't want to be here till June, no.
School budget, I hear it's going down. I don't care, I won't frown.
School is closing, we are out of time. Scared to death, so I'll just say this rhyme. What to do with all the seniors? Go to college or stay a dreamer. We can't stay here, don't want to go home. Give up now. Dropman, school is gonna lose the funding. Woo! State, they ain't up to nothing. Woo!